Hi guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to bleach and dye my hair. My hair has always been bleached and dyed, but professionally in a salon, and it's usually the underside of my hair, which you will see in the video. It did not go 100% as planned, but you'll see that all in the video. So I honestly really don't know what I'm doing, but I did buy things with really good ratings. I don't know how to say this brand name, but I think it's Schwarzkopf. Just looked for the best lightener powder with Developer 30. This came as a combo and it had really good reviews. Just like this little pack, which comes with every tool you could ever need. I think it was like 16 bucks on Amazon. Comes with the clips and the bowls and the things that cover your ears so you don't get hair color on your ears. Like, I guess these things cover your ears like that. They feel kind of funny. And it comes with two different bowls. I'm gonna do my hair blonde, wash it out, and then make my hair red. But I don't really need a bowl because I'm gonna use Overtone, which I'm really excited about. My hair used to be blue, but only underneath. So you might be able to tell, but you might not. I don't know if I have to get like really close. It used to be brighter, but it somehow turned into this like grayish blue color. Oh, there, it's showing up better now. And that ends like about here. So all of this is brand new hair that has grown out. And at first, when I went to my hairdresser, I wanted my hair to look like dip dyed, like this part to be blue. But the first time that they did it, they just did the underside blue, and then that's how I've had it ever since. But since I'm switching to red, I'm wondering if I should do it like dip dyed. Because worst case scenario, if it's really bad, then she could just chop it. But if I do the whole underneath part red, like she'd have to shave the bottom of my head. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is making sense to me. I got this little like whisk to whisk up my color. I got brushes of all sizes. Literally this kit is so cool. I even got this little comb. I don't know what that does. And it's like I got two of everything. So I guess if you want to share with a friend or if you're mixing two colors, I don't know. I got these little gator clips. I'm pretty sure these are called gator clips because I watch some other people do their hair and that's what they call them, and they do kind of look like a little alligator. So first let's read the directions. The instructions are in so many languages and I can't find my own language. Dry hair, got it. I also saw on Brad Mondo's videos that he said you want your hair to be dirty, so I have not washed my hair in 2 days. I didn't put dry shampoo or anything. Like literally it's just like my own hair oil. Luckily we're on quarantine. Like does it look oily? Mix the desired amount of powder, got it, with premium developer, got it, until a smooth cream is achieved. Variable mixing ratio, 1 to 1.5 to 1 to 2.5. What part is the 1? This is probably the one that's 1, right? 1 to 1.5. My friend said I could FaceTime her for support. I might have to phone a friend. I'm assuming this would be the one because it's on this bottle. I'm gonna eyeball it though because I didn't bring a measuring cup and I also don't think I want bleach on my measuring cup. Apply immediately after mixing. Do not shampoo before use. I just said shampoo weird. Do not shampoo before use. Is that how you say it? Shampoo? Now it sounds like I don't know how to say it. Do not shampoo before use. It does say not to lighten previously lightened hair, but we're gonna do that. Because how am I gonna get this red? It's blue. I need to pull a little bit of blue out. So I'm gonna do that at the end and just like leave it for 10 minutes instead of 45. 45? Well, it says 20 to 45. We'll do 30 minutes. I am so scared right now. Okay, let's start clipping my hair. First, I'm gonna clip the part that's already blue. I look like a troll. And I'm gonna use foil because that's what hairdressers do when they do bleach. So I'm gonna do that too, even though I don't really know how to do it. All right, comment below right now. if you think this is gonna be bad. I'll be commenting with you. So I have foil. I should probably pre-cut the foil, actually, because I feel like that takes a long time. So I'll be right back. I did like 25 foils. I hope that's enough. The goal is to not have our hair fall out. That is the only goal right now. Even if it doesn't look good, I'm okay with that as long as my hair doesn't fall out. This is how I cut them because I'm only doing this bottom section, but now I'm thinking like maybe I should do it this way. Oh my God, there is no turning back now. It is getting on my hair. How fast do I have to do this? That's another question. Should I go this side then this side so that it's like even? I feel like that's a good idea. I don't know why I feel like that's a good idea, but I feel like that's a good idea. We are just trying to get as much bleach on here as possible. Saturate this hair, that's the thing. I'm like really nervous. I'm more nervous about this than I was at cutting my bangs. I just feel like it's gonna be really uneven because I don't know where in the foil I went up to on those. I'm just kind of like guessing that it's around the same spot, which is a terrible way to do this. This is why you see professionals. Okay. We did a whole layer. It's getting hot in here. I'm gonna start sweating. Oh shoot, it's on my gloves and I'm touching the top of my head. Oh my gosh, why didn't I think about this? Can I wash it off now? What can I do? It's gonna be so uneven. Maybe I'll fix it with the red though, is that possible? I like how I'm talking to you guys like you can help me. You cannot help me right now. We just need to do this. I feel like it's getting farther up every time. Like, look at my foils. They're like down here, now they're like way up here. My poor hair. It did not know what it was in for today when it woke up this morning. I feel like this is for sure gonna be tragic. Also, it might not even do anything because my hair is like really black. It says 9 shades, but what does that even mean? Oh shoot, I forgot to do the this side, that side thing. That was a thing I was gonna try. Can you get high on fumes of bleach? I feel like I'm freaking out. I'm not shaking, or maybe I am. Nope. I was shaking when I was cutting my hair, so I feel like maybe I have more confidence right now. Oh my God, that is so much higher than the rest. Oh my God, okay, we're just gonna go on. We're just gonna go over here. I feel like I'm running against the clock. How do hairdressers do this and make it even at the end? Because isn't whatever they start with getting more bleach than what they don't start with? If you're a hairdresser and you haven't left this video because I'm a joke yet, can you answer that question? Wouldn't the parts I did to start get way lighter than the parts that I'm doing now, like a full 15 minutes later? Do I rinse those first or something? Pretty sure I just got bleach on this shirt. Luckily it's a white shirt, so it's fine. We're fine. Last section. Is there any bleach on my hands? Probably. What level is this on quarantine? I feel like I've hit boss level now. Level 99, where you're like about to beat the like main bad guy in the game of quarantine. Okay. Now we got it down. There are pieces just like randomly sticking out though. Okay, can I move these though? Some of them are really warm. Let's put my hair up because it's hot. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 30 minutes. It's not a good idea to bleach your already colored hair, but I want it to be just a little bit lighter so that it looks more red. So I'm not gonna put it on there the whole time. These ear things are useless because I'm not even going that far up. They're just making my ears hot. That was really dumb. This is a look right here. This is the worst foil job in the history of foil jobs. I guess now I wait 20 minutes, then we're gonna put it on these guys and then wait 10 minutes and then we're gonna wash it off. So I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm gonna get out of this hot bathroom. 20 minutes is up and I'm back, and the reason why I have these 2 balls of foil is because we had a little bit of an emergency. I put all those foils on top of my head. That was brilliant because then I could get to the bottom of my hair, and then as I looked in the mirror I saw drops of the bleach getting on the top of my head. So I had to pull all those foils off of the top of my head, wet my hair, so I'm hoping, I see like it kind of lightening right here, like hoping it's not gonna lighten very much and that it's not even gonna be noticeable because I put water, but if you look right there, you can see where it like lightened up. I put them in these balls over my head so that I could still reach my bottom hair, and I look a little bit like a robot Princess Leia right now. And we're gonna hope this part of my hair does not fall out. I'm less nervous now that already the worst thing I could think could happen has happened. We wait 10 minutes, so when I come back, my hair is gonna be washed. And then we're gonna put some color on it. Well, it's gonna be rinsed. Should I wash it? I don't know. I'm gonna Google if you're supposed to wash it or rinse it. But one of those two things will happen. Trying to like open one of the foils, I got bleach in my eye. So then I tried to take my makeup off on both sides. So if my makeup looks weird, that's why. Before I show you what this looks like, because it does not look good. It's a streaky mess. It's like really bad actually. Very uneven, but we're going to put this on top of it anyways. I'm gonna make like red streaks, I guess, because some of it turned real blonde and some of it did not. The bottom part, you're gonna see, is way blonde even though I only put it on there for like, I didn't even wait the full 10 minutes because I looked at it and I was like, oh my God. So the top color is the color that I was expecting it to be, which is kind of this like orange brassy like color, right? But then anything underneath is this really bright green blonde color. But I'm gonna cover all of it with Overtone anyways. You know, there's no turning back now. Yeah, it looks like blood. It looks really, really bad. I'm gonna think this through because my glove is all full of this stuff. Okay, we gotta rethink this real quick. Yeah, it looks like I murdered someone in this. Look at the difference here. Like this part is the underneath part and then this part is the part on top. Might turn out pretty cool. Who knows? But my money is not on it'll turn out cool. 10 to 15 minutes? No, we're gonna wait 30 minutes just in case that it might help. It won't, but you know. Today I decided to wear a red shadow and a red lip just to go with my new red hair. As you saw, it was a streaky mess after the bleaching process, and then I used Overtone. But honestly, I don't know if you can see it well, but like Overtone did a really good job of hiding like how poorly I bleached it. There's definitely some brighter streaks. This one's a little bit brighter than some of his brothers. Let me know what you think. It's definitely not what I wanted, but I'm not mad about it. I thought it was gonna look so much worse than this after the bleaching process. So for me, it's like, it's a win based on how poor of a job I did bleaching it. I have only ever done blue and purple in the past, but I definitely want to go around the color wheel and try other stuff out too. So after I do red, I might try orange. Just why not? We're on quarantine. We can do what we want. Let me know down below in the comments if you have done anything to your hair during quarantine or lockdown, and if you have salons open already. Have you gone to a salon yet? I think that I'm gonna wait after. Like, even if they open, I'm gonna give it some time. So I will be one of the last people to reintegrate myself back into my normal habits of getting my nails done and lashes done and hair done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!